Man, I wish I could get this 6.0, man. It's a 6.0 engine, and the guy said that something wrong with it's leaking coolant or something. It's a hole in that mug. He said he got a real bad coolant leak or something. It would be a project too. Take the oil pan. I don't own a 6.0. Nothing that 6.0 can go into, but it'd be a nice project. It's a 6.0 liter. I wish I could get it. But I just got the heads and I'll probably take all this stuff to the scrapyard. Heads, oil cooler, transmission cooler, and the struts or the shocks, starter, alternator. I'm gonna put this stuff in the back of my trunk. I think it came out of that van. One of them damn vans it came out of. Yeah, I got these boxes of wires from over there. I got the radiator. I got the head coverings. I think it might be the transmission intercooler or something. It might be. Um, the shocks. We got the heads. I think it's the water pump. Yeah, that's the water pump. I got the exhaust manifold. I'm gonna see what's in here salvageable. If maybe I could sell it. I don't know about the heads, but yeah, I think I might be keeping the heads, the water pump, the starter, the alternator. He said all that's good. They just putting everything in this. They got a new motor. He said that it's a 6.0 LS motor, and he says the cooling, the heads keep leaking cooling. I don't know much about the Chevys, LS, and everything and stuff, but I wish I could get it, but I only got that truck. Only got my truck. My back is clean. I'm not taking my third row seat out to put an engine. And plus, I wouldn't have no way to get it out of there anyway or get it in. And if I had a pickup truck, yeah, I'd get it. I'd get it and put it in the storage unit and go to the junkyard and get parts for it and see if I can get it to work and see if I can fix the leak or whatever. But yeah, all this stuff came out of that from where I got it from. Like I said, I'm keeping the heads, the water pump. I got the starter, the alternator. And there's something else. And I'm keeping the exhaust. I'm keeping the exhaust too. Why? I don't know. Let me see. I think this what is this? Brake booster? Is it the brake? No. I don't know what this is. Steering column or something? Gearbox. That's what it might be. It might be the gearbox. I think it's the gearbox. But yeah, let me get some of this stuff out and put it where I want it to be at. So yeah, it was a 6.0 engine sitting outside of this company gate. And some other stuff sitting on a pallet next to it. So from what I understand is you just said the engine was bad, crackheads. The heads were cracked for it kept looking cooling. So he think that the heads were cracked, but it could have just been a gasket Could have been using the wrong gasket and everything. After some research, I found out that they say that if you put the wrong gasket on there, it keep leaking. No matter how many times you fix it and you put it on there and everything. It's something about if you put the wrong heads, if you put the wrong gasket on the heads, it'll keep leaking. No matter how many times you fix it, you think you got the right gasket and everything, you keep putting on there and it keep leaking. So you eventually just tear the whole motor out, thinking that the whole motor is bad, and it's not. But anyway, I got the heads, I got the coverings for the head. Did I grab them? Yeah, I got the coverings for the head. I'm gonna head back over to see if there's any other parts. And I think he said something about the lifters might have been bad too. Yeah, the guy said the lifters were bad too. So it blew the head gasket and it messed up the rods and everything. They were still driving it. They just sent it, as people do when they start getting like that. But yeah, I took the air compressor, the alternator, the starter. I don't know which one is which goes for hit, but this is a starter, and this is a starter. It might be different off another vehicle. And I took the shots and exhaust manifold. Is these exhaust manifolds supposed to have cracks in them like this? I see the cracks. Is they supposed to be in there? They look clean, so it might do supposed to be in there. They look clean and consistent all the way around. But yeah, this is basically scrap metal. I'm trying to think what this is. Is this the gearbox? I think this is the gearbox, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but I believe that is the gearbox. They turn the steering wheel. Yeah.